All right. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's been a while since I've done a video, but hey, we're still in on BTC, and we have a few new indicators up here that I wanted to show y'all. So, what is today's date? Today is Saturday, November 16th. It's about 11:30 right now at night. And I just kind of wanted to show y'all where we're at in the charts, what I think could possibly play out in the next week or so, possibly by either like the 18th or as early as Monday. So we've been seeing some downward action, some consolidation here on the charts. We're looking at, let's go into like the 2 hour real quick, just see what's happening. I can zoom in here. So yeah, we've been seeing a lot of like downwards consolidation, but we are coming into this wedge channel. And as you can see on Cipher B right now, we have a lot of momentum to the downside with some bullish divergences happening as well. The money flow is in the red, but that doesn't mean we can't move up. It's not too heavily into the red. So because there's all this downward action on Cipher B, we did put in two green dots, which indicates that we have kind of capitulated towards the bottom of this trend. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour as well, have two dots, two green dots, and also we have another green dot that happened within this overall trend to the downward side too. But I give reference to these two green dots down here as snake eyes, which means that we have kind of bottomed here. Let's go into a little bit of the higher time frames now. The 6 hour, two green dots as well. The last time I had two green dots was over here, but we did have a pretty big sell-off as well afterwards, with probably some manipulation happening there. I do believe these markets are still being manipulated right now, so we just kind of have to roll with the punches as they go, but we know the overall trend of the market will be up. We just have to wait it out and see when it's going to play out. But I think that we're expecting a pretty big move here within the next few days, so that's why I did want to get this video out. So as you can see, 6 hour going into the 8 hour, we already have another double green dot, snake eyes on the 8 hour as well. Also with the 10 hour, we have a double green dot. The reason I don't think we'll go like any lower really was because these were like two green dots here, and then we kind of pumped a little bit, but then we came down. It's because these two green dots on Cipher B are a little bit more spread out, and I think that gave us enough room to head more to the downside without putting in the green dots super close to each other. Let's go to the 12 hour. The 12 hour, we were waiting for this green dot to finally hit, and it looks like it has, so that's another bullish sign as well. And honestly, like, we could come down to the end of this wedge or like even below this trend line here of support, but I think it could only be to like maybe high or low eights, high sevens. And I don't think we'll go below this trend line here, which leads us all the way back from 3,500. So that's a major support there. The 1 day, a lot of downwards movement that happened here on these 1 day charts. But we are on Cipher B about to put in another green dot, which is a pretty bullish sign as well. And because I feel like this blue wave here is kind of in a longer period of curvature, I think that meant that we have consolidated enough to where when we start moving back up, we probably won't like run into any more red dots until we get to the top of that 0 point, just because we had consolidated a lot through this curvature down here. Let's go to the 2 day. 2 day still looks a little bearish, but at the same time our VWAP is crossing up. So if we zoom into our Cipher B, we have our VWAP kind of curving up just a little bit. 3-day, still a little bearish, but I'm going to keep an eye on a 3-day because the VWAP's not as strong of an angle as it was when we put in that other big green dot here at 3,500, where we had a very sharp angled VWAP coming down, but then we did kind of capitulate back up. This one looks already to be like at a less of an angle, so we will be probably curving back up pretty soon for it. And I think we'll put in a green dot probably within the next few days for the 3-day. 5-6 day, some red dots happening. Let's go into the monthly. The monthly, we could ride this back up to where we come back above on the VWAP and then put in a green dot, and then it's kind of similar to what we did here in our 2017 bull run as well, because VWAP did cross down, but then it shot right back up. So yeah, I think these lower time frames are going to dictate what's going to happen here in the next couple of days, because all the way until our daily we look pretty bullish, but then like our 2-day to like weekly charts are like still showing some bearish signals. But I think we have enough consolidation here on like the 4-hour all the way to like, for even probably from the 2-hour all the way to like the 12-hour, we have enough like bullish momentum to probably like change these higher time frames to where they probably will put in some green dots and they probably will end up turning bullish. So that's just my analysis of the charts right now using Market Cipher. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there in y'all's trades. If y'all are trading, if y'all are hodling, hodl on. And if y'all like these videos and y'all want me to keep doing videos with Market Cipher, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me what y'all think about using Market Cipher, or if y'all want more videos about it or whatever. I've been using it for a couple of months now, so pretty good. It's pretty good indicators on there. So, all right, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good one.